Good morning. Here's just a quick video to help you guys make sure that you have everything that is required for the week. So let's jump right into it. This video is going to show you the notes for grapes for the ancient Greek civilization, and it's also going to show you which slides to complete on Unit 6, Week 1. So let's start with the ancient Greek civilization. So on the first slide, you should have all 6 of these vocabulary words defined, and you should have 2 questions. Here's a sample question for you to get you started. You may not use this question, but there's a sample question. On the next slide, this is the information, and again, you should have 2. Here's the next slide, and again, 2 multiple choice questions. Here is the next slide. Again, 2 multiple choice questions. Here's politics, and there's actually more information down here, and it's large so that you can easily copy it. Feel free to pause this, and again, you should have 2 multiple choice questions. Also for this slide, my font is very large. You can make yours 12 or 14, and it's plenty of room to fit. Here's the information, and let me make this larger so you guys can see it, and you can. There you go. And again, 2 multiple choice questions. Here is the next slide. Again, feel free to make it small for you to make sure it fits, but here's what it is large so you can see it. And again, 2 multiple choice questions. Feel free to pause this video so you can catch up. And I think the video is cutting off the end. And the last 2 words down here are and write. Taught their daughters to read and write. And that is the slides for the ancient Greek civilization. Now, for our guided learning deck, it's Unit 6, Week 1. You should have slide number 12 should be completed. Slide number 15 should be completed. Slide number 20 should be completed. Slide number 23, don't forget to slide your little check where it belongs. It should be completed. Slide number, slide number 28 should be completed. Let me just scroll. Slide number 33 should be completed. And then you don't have another one until slide 45. You do not have to complete slide 40. Because we did it on another sheet of paper. Slide 45 should be completed. Also, slide 40 was due last week and already graded, so don't stress about the other sheet of paper. Slide 49 should be completed. All you have to do is slide your little check mark. And then slide 57 should be completed. Slide 58 we are skipping. You do not have to do it. Slide 59 should be completed. And finally, slide 61 should be completed. So those are the slides, and I hope this video helps. You do just a final check to make sure you have everything before you turn it in for a grade this weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.